I'm Jill Stoppel-Davis, owner of Excel Wellness Studio here in Overland Park and creator of the 45-Day Fit Mom Makeover Academy. So who is my Fit Mom program for? Well, it's for any busy woman that is juggling career, family, kids activities, always on the go, and you're just stalled out. You're fighting the belly fat. Maybe you're going into your perimenopausal, postmenopausal years. Maybe you haven't lost the baby weight yet and just nothing is working. You've tried diet after diet for years. You've done hardcore workouts and you're just tired and burnt out and frustrated. Then I want to chat. So I am 45. I'm in the best shape of my life. And the leanest I've been in a long time, and I'm no longer spending hours in my kitchen meal prepping. I eat foods that I enjoy. I grab things on the go. I'm able to eat out, incorporate drinks here and there, and just really have fun. I also keep my workouts nice and short, like what we promote here at Excel. And I want to share all my best tips, habits, and tricks with you to help you get results in my 45-day program. So what do you get? You get direct access to me every day, all the time. We're going to do weekly coaching calls where we dial in your results. You're going to get customized plans and meal templates to follow. So there is no way you're not going to have success and get results. We take care of your workouts. They're short, they're efficient. Everything in this program is designed to teach you how to make it easier and get that body and the energy that you're looking for. The women that have gone through my program got and are still getting amazing results with ease. And they had tried everything and nothing had worked. They're dropping dress sizes, they're dropping body fat, they're no longer needing naps and not as reliant on, energy drinks and coffee in the afternoon just to keep going. So reach out. We start our next new year 45-day Fit Mom Makeover Academy on January 23rd. Registration is going to close on the 17th and spaces are very limited because I can only work with so many women at one time. I would love to chat. We'll jump on a quick phone call and make sure that this is a fit for you. Look forward to hearing from you. Let's go.